Before removing the RexONE DCS from the bag, remove the orange protector knobs from the brake rods. These protect the rods during storage and transport. Once out of the bag, position the Rex frame upright with the head panel downward. Next, install the wheels into the Rex frame. To ensure that the wheels are inserted into the correct side of the Rex frame, match the colored fender tabs to the colored Velcro strips located on the center panel. Push the quick release button located in the center of the wheel hub. Insert the wheel axle into the wheel axle port while maintaining pressure on the quick release button. This will ensure that the wheel is locked into place before inserting the next wheel. Tilt the Rex unit back with the head panel facing upwards. Pull the red release cable between the center panel and the head panel, then pull the head panel upward into an open lock position. Tilt the Rex unit back onto the head panel. Pull the red release cable between the center panel and the foot panel, then pull the foot panel upward into an open lock position. To release the pull handle, disengage the red release pin, then rotate the pull handle upward and lock into position, followed by extending the foot kickstand into the open position. To move the headrest from the closed to open position, pull the headrest downward to disengage from the lock position. Then rotate the headrest upward. Push the top of the headrest down until you hear it click and lock into position. Secure the fender tabs to the matching colored Velcro strips. Finally, retract the kickstand into the closed position.